Hi guys, this is Muttalmadgi and Obnekal Falls. This is Meen. You don't know, I think, what is this? He's my Chini. Chini miss. Hey! This is fish. He is Sharad. Wait 1 minute, I will meet all my friends. He is my Akshay. Hi, Karo Akshay.
Hi bro.
He is Ranjit. He is searching fish. You know about fish. Like, see, so he is telling me about fish. He is Kiran. I think you don't know Kiran, but he is Kiran. See this. See fish. Fish mesh. He is Yuvraj. He is Abhi from Karnataka. He is also Kanta from Anekal. Hi. He is Chakka. You know this? Chakka means? He is Chakka.